So what up, guys? I was out yesterday. I didn't know this. These cops up here can do their laundry on shift. In the middle of shift, and it kind of threw me for a loop. They're allowed to. I went and checked, and that's how they do it. So the guy wasn't necessarily wrong, and I don't think I would have been so rude about, not rude, but like asked him the way I did if he wasn't yelling about me about looking in the vehicle. Just saw a cop sitting here. I pulled over. I wondered what he was doing. I came over. He must have been doing what the Willimantic Fire Department guy is doing and bringing his clothes to the laundromat. We pay these people to do their laundry. It's weird. Should probably take care of this off duty. Cop him. Seems like the thing to do on a Friday. Willimantic Fire. So we had Silva. Silva was just here doing the same thing. And him. I wonder how many people do this on our dollar. It's pretty pathetic. This is the second laundromat. I just left the other one. Seems like we have the police hanging out at all our laundromats. At least at this one, it looks like they're working. Loser! That was Rosado. Dude's a bum. He's a punk school resource officer. Wait, bootlicker? Dude's staring at me like I'm doing something wrong. Every time I come, he runs. You know why? Because he can't deal with the public and he can't deal with the truth. He's a punk. He is a punk. So, 10, this is the one that was just at the other laundromat. Let's see if there's any laundry. I can look in the car. I can get as close as I need to, Silva. Don't even, listen, don't start with the directives. And don't start, what were you doing at the laundry? Why were you doing your laundry? On shift, why were you doing your laundry?
It's not your business.
Well, yeah, it is. Clowns, you guys don't take care of your personal matters at home? You don't take care of your personal matters off the clock? You don't take care of your personal matters off the clock? Look at, that's his laundry right there. Ha! Loser! You're a loser, bro. You're a loser. We were fine. We had a good, you want, stay away from the car. I could get us, it doesn't matter. Do it off the clock, you loser. Meh, meh, meh. Dude's a bum. All of them. All of them. Clowns. How you been, Sullivan?
Doing great. How you doing, sir?
Good.
How's your court cases going?
I beat one today.
Oh, there you go.
What up, bud? Sorry.
Daniel, just do me a favor. Just blur out the kid's face.
Yeah, that's fine. Can you do me a favor?
now. Depending on what it is.
Yeah, no, I don't care
I'm
about
just letting you know he's a
no.
juvenile, so just blur it out when you put it on YouTube.
You know how that is. I don't care about
Yeah.
them. That's fine. We're allowed to look in police cars, right?
To a certain degree. Just
We need Silva educated.
I'm not gonna go down this road, Danny, but
I'm just asking. You asked me for a favor. I'm gonna ask you. He's yelling at me for looking in a car. We know we can do that. So why is he even doing it?
in certain places, yes, it's allowed.
In public.
But in certain areas, it's not allowed. But here's the thing, Danny. Do me a favor. I just don't want any juveniles.
I'm not gonna put anybody's face. I'll take the faces
I
out.
don't care about mine. You know that.
No, I know. I'm not. I don't care about the people. You know that. This is Silva. This is the one that had a fit because he was doing. We looked in his car. He's driving a different car this time. No, his car's behind it. Took the clothes out. Don't want to yell this time. It's not that hard, Silva, to just let us do what we're allowed to do. Well, you yelled at me like I couldn't. Because you yelled at me for nothing. Yes, I have it. Get away from my car. Don't look at my car. I can and I will every time. You did, though. You did it. You can't take it back. You did it. Oh, puppy. You're a good boy. That was that. It's funny though how they try to retract what they do. We've never had a problem. Then why were you screaming at me like I'm a little kid or I'm not allowed to do what I'm doing? Like, these people have fits over nothing. These are not their vehicles. They're not theirs in any way, shape, or form. They don't own them. So give it up. Don't want to do public service the right way. Get out of it.